Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making another one pan wonder. This one is just so full of flavor. I'm incorporating zucchini because it's in season, it's affordable, sweet potatoes to keep it healthy, and then to give us a little bit of meat, I am incorporating Italian sausage. It is literally so easy, and to be honest with you, sometimes I eat this for breakfast. Don't judge, that's just how I roll. So if you want to see if you can make this for breakfast or for dinner, keep on watching. So to make this, you're going to need some zucchini. I actually should have used a bigger pan, but that's okay. You're going to need about 2 large sweet potatoes, some onions. You're going to need sausage. I'm using mild Italian sausage, ground cinnamon, salt, black pepper, chili powder, dried oregano, and then some olive oil. You're going to have to preheat your oven to 400 and you are good to go. So just like with any pan meal, it's really minimal work, minimal cleanup. You're going to drizzle your veggies with your olive oil. And before we go ahead and coat them, I'm going to just use my clean hands to kind of cover them with the olive oil before I cover them with all the seasonings. And this is kind of a good way, oopsies, the counter's clean, for you to kind of mix them all up so they're not, you know, just right next to each other. They can mingle with other friends. Alright, now we're going to season our veggies. So salt. I do a pretty generous pinching of salt because, well, I like it salty. You're going to do black pepper, dried oregano. I do like that herby feel in this dish. I'm going to do chili powder to give it a little bit of a kick. I would say about a tablespoon in total, but if you don't like it too spicy, then do a little bit less, maybe half. But trust me, it's good. And then you're just going to do a dash of cinnamon over the top. And I know that sounds crazy, but you just wait and see. This is going to taste so good. I'm going to go ahead and give this a nice zhuzh. Oops, again. Okay, these are nice and covered with all the seasonings. So now what I do is I kind of position my sausage kind of, you know, all over the place. And you're going to bake this at your preheated oven for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of your veggies, or until they're fully cooked through. And you are going to want to flip this about midway through. So about like 25-30 minutes in. And then you can take it out and enjoy. I hope you guys love this recipe as much as I do. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!